Troubleshooting an invalid battery notification on an LG phone. A notification stating invalid battery usually only occurs in devices with removable batteries. If your LG phone has a removable battery and you get the notification, the first thing you need to do is to check the battery itself. Here's how. Take the battery out and see if it is swollen. If it is, dispose of it properly and replace it. If it is not swollen, then check if it is an original LG battery. If you use an aftermarket battery and you get the notification, then the battery most likely does not meet the specifications of the original LG battery. In this instance, our best recommendation is to replace the battery with an original LG battery. Note that continuing to use a battery that isn't up to standard can lead to malfunctioning or damage of your phone. If you have a non-removable battery and are getting the invalid battery notification, then try to clear the cache data on your phone. To do this, open Settings. Then tap on Storage. Tap on Free Up Space. Tap on Temporary Files and Raw Files. Tap to select Cache Data. Tap on Delete. Then tap on Delete again. Wait for the cleaning notification to disappear, which will signal the deletion is completed. Now restart your phone and test it again. If these steps resolve the invalid battery notification, then you're good to go. If they do not, please contact LG customer service at lg.com/us/support or visit lgmobilerepair.com to review your warranty repair options.